Welcome to Dream Event Makeover. Today we're traveling to Sydney, Australia to check out Chief Executive Women, a non-for-profit membership organisation. We're going to give their annual dinner event a dream makeover in Hopin, the virtual venue that we've selected for their transformation. Now let's get started.
Here's the reception area where you can access everything that's happening live. We've included a customized welcome message with video. Sponsors are featured here, which you can tier into 3 groups. For multi-day events, each day's schedule can be accessed and added to your calendar here. Now let me take you to the main stage. This is for your flagship presentations, where you need to reach the entire audience from one place up to 100,000 people with up to 5 speakers. For large-scale events, you can run up to 10 stages simultaneously.
CEW's event is traditionally a gala dinner, which means we need to support live video feeds from the venue. Hopin supports RTMP feeds into its main stage and simultaneously into other channels such as YouTube and LinkedIn Live. Its live streaming studio also supports overlays, backgrounds, banners, scrolling tickers, and more.
Let's sneak a peek at the backstage. This is where up to 5 speakers will wait to go live on the stage and can video chat with each other while waiting. The backstage is open before the event is live, so speakers can rehearse at any time. For more intimate interactions, we have the sessions area. This is for your breakout rooms, roundtables, or workshops, allowing up to 3,000 attendees and up to 20 speakers in one session. There is no limit to the number of simultaneous sessions, and you can set up custom filters to organize your sessions. Let's jump into a session and see what it looks like. In this session, the attendee can ask a moderator to join the conversation with video on. Let's move on to the expo area, which hosts interactive virtual booths. You can have different sized booths based on sponsorship tiers. In booths, sponsors can have live representatives interacting with visitors via video. Or like this booth, sponsors can opt for pre-recorded video and content. As booths are open for the whole event, they can also be used to deliver always-on content like games and entertainment. Now let's see where people meet. Here's the networking area, where once you click join, you instantly get matched with other attendees in a time-boxed video call. And it looks just like a FaceTime call. If you want to continue the conversation, you can extend the time or exchange contact details with one click. You can also network in all other areas of your virtual venue, such as reception and expo. You simply click on an attendee and invite them onto a video call or send them a chat message.
Virtual networking is a critical part of CEW's event, as a high percentage of members will not be physically present. Hopin's networking feature, plus a fun icebreaker game, will be key to connecting members.
That concludes the tour for today. To view the full-size images of this makeover, visit the @Hush.Events Instagram channel. If you're interested in having a complimentary Dream Event Makeover, please contact us.